We have started on Saturday with the crown chakra, Sunday the forehead chakra, Monday throat chakra, Tuesday the thymus, the heart chakra, Wednesday the solar plexus, Thursday the sacral chakra, and today we arrive at the base chakra, which is attributed to the moon if you look on the spatial order of the chakras, and is attributed to Venus when you look at the order in time from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because Friday is Freya's day, Venus' day. And to Venus, Freya, belongs the R, the gesture of openness, but also the gesture of receiving, of letting things come in. But this also means coming to oneself, even becoming grounded in oneself. And that's also the meaning a little bit, or this is also a little bit tangible in how it is expressed in the seventh step of the Eightfold Path, how it is passed on through tradition by the saying, or according to the sayings of Buddha. And there it says, right mindfulness firstly focuses on the awareness of all bodily functions, such as breathing, walking, standing. We've really arrived at our physical body. This is also expressed in what follows here, where it says, in addition, all sensory stimuli, affects and thought content are reflected on without wanting to control them. And sensory stimuli means the use of our senses, and they really are the essence of our physical body. Yeah? With our senses we live on earth. And out of this living on earth, our emotions come. And then it says, yes, the thought content must be reflected on, but not in the way as we did it in the first steps of the path. We reflect on our opinions, on our decision making, on our words, but only in order to notice what's going on down there, to welcome what's going on down there. And for this reason it says, but not wanting to control it. And the attempt is that through perceiving it, through thinking it through, you give it a chance to develop in the sense of your inner being, to become one, the upper being and the lower being, which is now invited to become really part, a beloved part of us. And when you go on, it also says that this stage, and it's now because we have this physical body, that's the stage of the here and now. And that means you're fully present in the here and now, not pondering the past and not indulging in the future. But it also means the here and now to be present in what you meet and whom you meet there. And this I can only be when I'm present here. And when we look at the words Rudolf Steiner uses to pick up these ideas and thoughts, but in a way that he uses words which leads us into different aspects, different layers of our being, of our body, to invite, in a way, our complete being to become part of this path. And because when you become aware of this aspect and that aspect, and you just take it lovingly into your consideration, they start to develop and to become part of your path, become your carriers, become your boat on which we sail. Okay, I'm going to speak the words once. Strive to learn as much as possible from life. Nothing passes us that does not give rise to experiences that are useful for life. Has one done something incorrectly or imperfectly, it gives occasion to do similar things correctly or completely in the future. If one sees others acting, one observes them with a similar goal in mind, but not with unloving looks. And one does nothing without looking back at experiences that could help one with one's decisions and activities. One can learn a lot from everyone, including children, if one pays attention. This exercise is also called the right memory. That is, remembering what one has learned and the experiences one has had. Yes, may I invite you to join.